And this project comes from a place of not being fearful to stand by my political, but also just my own identity. My game, it's a physical conflict simulation game. It's a participatory research lab where people get to step in each other's shoes and experience different parts of the conflict and different roles of the state. This is the passport exam, the entrance exam to the Palma Nova. So once you enter the game, that is your first decision. Your first decision would be entering through gate red, not Europe, and gate blue, Europe. So if you enter through gate blue, you go through a different entrance exam than gate red, obviously. But in this way, I wanted to activate a decision for my audience. My aim with this game really was to create an intercultural space where people would get to experience the other side, but also really focused on education, because I do think that education is the answer. It's just what type of education. And for me, it was really important to have a game where people could play these different roles. And if that can bring some sort of understanding of each other and each other's context and can foster some sort of peace between us,